Alright guys, so in this video we're going to compare Tim Hortons in India
and Tim Hortons in Canada. So without wasting any time, let's go inside.
Tim Hortons in India is a premium coffee outlet where you get coffee in a ceramic cup.
And in Canada, it's a quick grab and go coffee shop. Food menu in India is customized according to Indian market. They have more vegetarian options including paneer and mushroom. They even have some Indian style cooked chicken food options. They don't have beef here. And in Canada, the food menu option is very limited for vegetarian people. And if you're looking for something veggie, they only have hash brown that you can replace with any kind of chicken or beef in your sandwich. They used to have plant-based options. They're also discontinued by now. So they do have wraps, they do have bowls, they do have some sandwiches. Mostly options are for chicken, beef. And in Canada, recently Tim Hortons introduced flatbread pizzas. So they're just pizzas. You can have pepperoni pizza, veg pizza, chicken pizza, not veg pizza, cheese pizza. And recently Tim Hortons reintroduced their grilled cheese melt sandwiches. It's a weird trend here. They discontinue stuff and reintroduced again later. It's weird. Basic bakery items like donut, cookies, muffins and croissants are same in both countries. But in India, apart from these basic items, they also have cheesecake and stuffed croissant. Okay, let's go and just order something. Honestly, everything on the menu looked so tasty and so tempting. It was so difficult for me to select what should I try.
The premium outlet, so we got a table service card.
Okay. Hey, can I get a medium double?
Sure. You want my stuff?
I'll skip that for now.
Okay.
My phone is with her.
Okay.
So once you make your order, now you have to wait on this side. Most of the coffees in Canada are water-based. And if you're looking for a milk-based coffee, you're looking at a latte, and just I think that's probably just one of your options. And in India, most of the coffees are milk-based and water-based coffees are not as popular. But
349, medium double lover.
oh, that's me.
Thank you.
And if you're looking for your coffee, you're getting a coffee name like a double, and you're just guessing that if it is your coffee or it is the coffee for the person who just ordered behind you or maybe after you. So, and yes, they have a order status tracking system behind me, but they very rarely use it.
Earlier, Tim Hortons in India used to have a buzzer system which used to buzz and used to go and get your order from the counter. But now they have completely switched to a table service restaurant.
I think this is a universal problem, but you have the seating area option here. There's no table service here.
So on menu in India, there are a lot of milk-based coffees. Cold coffee is served in a plastic cup, and the hot one is served in a ceramic.
And you still have the option to take out your coffee in a paper cup. So in Canada, they only have paper cups for hot drinks and plastic cups for cold drinks. They don't have ceramic cups here. In India, the food is served in Tim Hortons plate with a side of chips. But in Canada, most of the food items are in takeaway packaging.
Okay, so inside there is cheese and mushroom. Let's try. How is it? It is good. Introduce a pistachio flavored coffee on the occasion of Diwali. There's a flavored rice bowl on the back. That's $1.99. That is almost $3.50. Also, the staff in Indian Tim Hortons, they're really nice. So someone from their team just reached out to us and asked that if we want anything else. Shout out to their team. They're doing really amazing work. And there is no staff member here to ask you anything. You have to go there and make your order. Notice is that they did a special decoration for Diwali. So, cheers, Tim Hortons. And in Canada, most of the Tim Hortons are being redesigned from this to this. Alright guys, so I'm done with the food here, and now I checked with the staff and they mentioned that I am going to leave the tray here and they're going to clear it out. I don't have to deal with this at all. Alright, so let's go. All we have to do is just get up and walk out of the store. And in Canada, you have to clear your table and make sure you leave your table clean for the next person to sit in. And There you go.
And one last thing, in India, after paying the bill, we received a 100 rupees discount coupon.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, thank you. Bye.